Welcome to Miss Vind. How good is your grammar knowledge? Before starting, please subscribe to the Miss Vind channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. The cat is dash the table. The cat is on the table. The book is dash the chair. The book is under the chair. The dog is dash the box. The dog is behind the box. The mouse is dash the bed. The mouse is on the bed. The cat is dash the bed. The cat is near the bed. The dog is dash the books. The dog is between the books. The boy is dash the house. The boy is in the house. The sun is dash the flowers. The sun is about the flowers. The ball is dash the car. The ball is in front of the car. The monkey is dash the tree. The monkey is near the tree. The dog is dash the tree. The dog is next to the tree. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.